In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the grille on your Hummer H3 located on the front side of your vehicle. Now with the hood open, you're going to access four 10mm bolts. You're going to follow the corner of the fender over right to the top of the grille, and there is a 10mm nut right here. I'm just going to use a standard 10mm socket and my 1/4" ratchet. Going to go ahead, loosen and spin that off. We're going to be reusing this hardware, so don't lose it. Once you remove this one here, we're going to run right over to the driver's side, and we're going to do the same there. Now to locate the other two, you're going to come to the latch here, and you're just going to move to the left. You're going to locate our third bolt right here. Now the two outer ones were nuts. The two center ones here are going to be bolts. There's that one there. And if you go to the latch and then just follow it over to the right on the driver's side and do the same here. Now on the driver's side headlight, if you follow it into the first opening here and down to the bottom, there's another bolt right here. I'm just using some extensions to get in there. Same 10mm. Another bolt right there. We're going to repeat this process for the passenger side. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab our grille around the edges here and just pull forward. And we're going to go and repeat this process for the passenger side. Grab the grille and pull it away. Now we're going to go ahead and install our grille. I'm going to pay attention to the tabs that are on the ends. These need to line up on little particular pockets on the headlight frame itself. So you're going to start at one side, work your way down and around. Line that side up and just push it in. You're going to hear it and feel it lock into place. Once that's all set, we can now go ahead and install our bolts. Now we're going to use our extension and get our bolt lined up inside here. Now our plan is to go ahead and get all of the bolts started, and you don't want to tighten them down yet. Get them all started, and then once everything is in place, we can go ahead and tighten them down. Go ahead and get this one in on the passenger side. The two centers here are started. Let's install the four on the top. We have the nut here. We have one of the bolts going inward into the core support. Just continue this process just as we removed it. We're going to install. Okay, now we can go ahead and snug them all down. I recommend just using a ratchet or a gear wrench. You don't want to use power tools on this because, well, you're securing plastic and you don't want to risk cracking the plastic. Simple over torquing or tightening will break these here, so. How tight to tighten them? You want them snug. So right there, let's see, right here the bolt has bottomed out just a hair bit more. So just a smidge past bottoming them out up against the plastic. snug. And then let's finish up with the 2 in the front of the grill. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.